So exercise 6.1 of class 9 mathematics. So question number 1, figure 6.13, lines AB intersect AB and CD intersect at O. If AOC angle plus BOE angle 70 degree and BOD angle, this BOD angle is 40 degree, find BOE and reflex angle COE. Solution. Given AOC angle AOC plus angle BOE is equal to 70 degree. It is given. And angle BOD is 40 degree. To find angle BOE and reflex COE. So since AOC angle plus BOE plus COE is equal to 180 degree. This angle plus this angle plus this angle, total sum is 180 degree because straight angle. Okay, and this AOC plus BOE is 70 degree plus COE is equal to 180 degree, or COE is equal to 180 minus 70 is equal to 110 degree. Equation number 1. Again, COD is a line. COD is a line. So COE plus BOE plus BOD is equal to 180 degree. Or COE we got 110 plus BOE we have to find BOD. It is given 40 degree, you see. It is 180 degree. Okay. So 110 plus 40 this plus BOE is equal to 180, or this two 110 and 40 is equal to 150 plus BOE 180, or BOE is equal to 180 minus 150 is equal to 30 degree. Now we got BOE. Now we find reflex COE. Reflex COE means, so the total angle is 360 degree complete angle. So reflex means more than 180 degree, less than 360 degree. Therefore reflex COE is equal to 360 degree minus angle CO is this angle, you minus this from 360. So it will be 360 minus COE, we got 110 from 1 250 degree, it is reflex COE. So our answer is reflex COE is 250 and angle BOE is 130. Oh, 30, sorry. This one. So now question number 2. It is given that line X, Y and MN intersect at O. Ray PO is perpendicular on XY. So find angle PO, find angle C, find angle C, and it is given A is to B is equal to 2 is to 3. So since XY is a line, therefore angle POX plus angle POY is equal to 180 degree. So POX is divided into parts such that POM and MOX. So we can write this POM plus MOX plus POY. POY is given 90 degree. POM plus MOX is equal to 180 minus 90 is equal to 90 degree. But we are given these two angles are in the ratio A and B. Therefore, let A is equal to K twice K, A is equal to twice K, and B is equal to thrice K. Therefore, A plus B is equal to twice K plus thrice K is equal to 5K. Therefore, POM plus MOX is 5K. 5K is equal to 90 degree or K is equal to 90 by 5 is equal to 18 degree. Therefore, A is equal to 2K is equal to 2 into 18 is equal to 36 degree. B is equal to 3K is equal to 3 into 18 is equal to 54 degree. Now, we have to find angle C. So MON is a line. MON is a line. So B plus C is equal to 180 degree, or B we got 54 plus C is equal to 180, or C is equal to 180 minus 54 is equal to 10 minus 4 6, 7 minus 5 2 1. So C is equal to 126. It is our answer. Now question number 3. In figure 6.15, PQR, this angle is equal to PRQ, this angle. So this angle and this angle, these two are equal. Then we have to prove that PQS and PRT equal. We have to prove this. So we are given PQR equal PRQ. To prove PQS is equal PRT. Now angle PQS plus angle PQR is equal to 180 degree because linear pair, and similarly PRQ plus PRQ plus PRT is also 180 degree linear pair. So from this we got what? POS plus PQR is equal to PRQ plus PRT. Both are, this and this two are equal. POS plus PQR is equal to, say, PQR and PRQ are equal, it is given. So in place of PRQ we can write PQR plus PRT, or POS plus PQR. You take this that side, it will be minus PQR is equal to PRT, or this and this cancel. So POS is equal to PRT. POS is equal to PRT we have to prove. So we got POS is equal to PRT. So it is proved. Now question number 4. In figure 6.16, if x plus y is equal to w plus z, then prove that AOB is a line. If x plus y is equal to z plus w, then prove that AOB is a line. Given x plus y is equal to w plus z, to prove AOB is a line. So prove since x plus y is equal to w plus z, it is given, or x plus y plus w plus z is equal to 360, x plus y plus z plus w, all these four angles is equal to 360 because it is complete angle. It is complete angle. So x plus y plus w plus z x plus y, in place of w plus z we can write x plus y is equal to 360 degree, or x plus x 2x plus 2y is equal to 360 degree, or you take 2 common, x plus y is equal to 360 degree, or x plus y is equal to 360 degree by 2 is equal to 180 degree. That means x and y, this angle is 180 degree. That means AOB is a line. Therefore, AOB is a line. Hence proved. Question number 5. Given POQ is a line, ray OR is perpendicular on PQ, OS is another ray between OR and OP. To prove ROS is equal to half of QOS minus angle POS. So OR is perpendicular on PQ, therefore ROQ angle is 90 degree and ROP also 90 degree. Line PQ, it is given, therefore angle ROQ plus angle ROP is equal to 180 degree. We know this. Or ROQ plus ROP is 90 degree. Is equal to 90 degree. Now ROQ is equal to ROP, or ROP is equal to 90 degree. So ROP we can write ROS plus SOP, ROS plus POS is equal to ROQ or ROS plus POS is equal to plus, again we can write ROS, we give plus, ROS is equal to ROQ plus we add here ROS, again we add here ROS, then both will be equal. ROS plus ROS twice ROS is equal to ROQ plus ROS, ROQ plus ROS is equal to QOS, and we take this POS that side, it will be minus POS. ROS or ROS is equal to, you take this to that side, it will be 1 by 2 QoS minus QoS. It is our proved. Now question number 6. It is given that x, y, z is 64 degree. XY is produced to P. Draw a figure from the given information. If ray YQ bisect ZYP, find XYZ, find ZYP and XYQ. Since XYP is a line, therefore XYZ this plus ZYQ plus QYP is equal to 180 degree. XYZ, we are given XYZ 64 degree, ZYQ plus QYP is equal to 180 degree, or ZYQ plus QYP is equal to 100. That you take this that side, it will be minus 64 degree. Okay, or ZYQ plus QYP is equal to 10 minus 4 6, 7 minus 6 1, 116. Since YQ bisect ZYP, therefore ZYQ this angle and QYP this angle are equal. ZYQ plus these two are equal, so in place of QYP we can write ZYQ is equal to 116 degree. Since YQ bisects angle ZYP, or 2 ZYQ 116 degree, or ZYQ is equal to 116 by 2 is equal to 58 degree. So ZYQ and QYP are equal, so ZYQ is equal to 58, so QYP also 58. Now we have to find x y q. We have to find x y q. Now x y q is equal to x y z plus z y q. So x y z is 64 degree, z y q is equal to 58 degree, is equal to 8 and 4 12, 2 carry 1, 11 1 12. So therefore x y q is equal to 112. And replace QYP. We need now replace QYP. Replace QYP is equal to 360 degree minus QYP, because reflex QYP is less than 360 but greater than 180. So 360 minus QYP, we got 58 degree. QYP is 58 degree. 10 minus 8 2, 5 minus 5 0, 3. Therefore reflex QYP is equal to 302 degree. These two our answer.